Hello, I'm Hans-Martin Buff. I'm a recording engineer and music producer, and I've had the pleasure to work with lots of very talented people like Prince, the Scorpions, and many, many more. And I'd love to show you how I approach recording, and I hope you're going to join me at United Pop. When we do meet at the workshop, we're going to talk about recording, editing, mixing, and mastering, and you're going to go out and start making music. So, being a recording engineer is different from other jobs like a baker, where you learn how to make bread and then you make the bread. You get several approaches on how to create music, and you'll have to be able to collect all of them and apply it to a creative situation. I can give you a lot of pointers, but they will be my pointers. If somebody else would be sitting there, they might tell you something quite different, but they would also take you to a similar place in the end. I think talent is completely worthless without work. If you take somebody like Prince, who just had a innate capability to do anything musical, the reason he was so good is not because of the talent, but because he used it every day, all day, whenever he could. I think it's the best job in the world. In audio engineering, I do all kinds of things wildly mixed together. One day I may record drums for a rock band. The next day I may record some vocals with a soul singer. The next day I may just think of a song at home. The next day I may mix. So I never know what's going to happen. I really like that. We're going to have a great time hanging out when we do our workshop at Singapore Raffles Music College. Get connected. Stay united.